No, this is Santanu sir.
Yes, he's very strict.
Let us talk with him.
No, he's very strict, yaar.
And let's go talk with him.
Okay.
Sir, may I ask you something?
Yes, of course.
Were you always this strict? And even when you were a child?
Strict.
चल ना नीचे तुम लोग क्या
वही तो इधर बैठा था हर समय।
पूरा मैदान खाली है। चल इसको समझाने दो अच्छे से समझ। चल ना समझ। अरे मजा आ रहा है। भाई चल मजा
Sir, seriously? You were telling us that you two used to play.
And your class defeated the mighty seniors class 10 in inter-class football championship?
And you scored a goal.
That's it. Well, it is. But victory is never permanent. It belongs to anyone who plays better that day. When we are in class 8, we defeated class 10. But history repeated itself. When we came to class 10, class 8 defeated us. It was a very sad day. Surely, I learned that day sports doesn't teach us how to win, rather how to win.
Sir, were you always into sports?
I was, but in a different way. I was always a part of NCC, marching, commands and uniforms. That felt like home. I was in class 10, I was getting an offer. And in my heart, I always decided my future. I wanted to become a military.
Then?
But life doesn't salute our plans always. Sometimes the people who love most are the ones who change our direction. So I took admission in other government school for class 11 and 12 in commerce. What period do you have now?
Sir Gibbs. Yes, Sir Gibbs.
Then it's my period. Let's go.
Okay sir. Let's go.
Chalo.
Sir, how did you find your way?
I didn't find it at once. I first got lost. I completed my graduation in accountancy honors. On paper, everything looked perfect, but inside, I was not ready to study further. I had other interests. Then, a little curiosity about society, a little influence from relatives involved in politics. I wanted to understand, not balance it. My family, they wanted stability, a job, a company, but I did not.
Then what happened?
There was even an opportunity, a good company through a relative offered me a secure secure future. But interest can't be forced. And without interest, even success feels empty. From childhood, sports was never just an activity for me. Every game shaped a part of who I was becoming. I initially completed my FEC. Family wanted security. Society wanted stability. But I wanted purpose.
Santanu, are you interested in interviews? There are interviews for bachelors in physical education in different colleges in West Bengal. Why don't you go ahead?
That day I chose uncertainty over regret, faith over fear. That interview didn't just give me admission, it gave me direction.
So, sir, that's how your journey really began.
No, that's when it finally made sense.
He had already secured his admission, quietly carrying the news in his heart. Only 10 days before leaving did he finally tell his family. Even till the very last moment, his parents asked him not to go so far. But some journeys are not measured by distance, rather dreams. With hope in his eyes and courage in his steps, he chose to leave, not to go away from home, but to move closer to the life he believed in.
New grounds, new rules. First year passed not in months, but in moments. I had chosen right. I started working, but I eventually felt a need to grow deeper, stronger, wiser. To guide others forward, I had to move forward myself.
হ্যালো, তুই বাড়ি ফিরে আয় বাবা। তোর বাবা রিটায়ার করেছে, তো দাদা আসামে চাকরি করে, আসতে পারবে না, তুই চলে আয়।
Sometimes responsibility calls louder than ambition. It's time to return.
Every journey forward teaches you ambition. Every journey back teaches you responsibility.
A prominent school has opened a requirement for physical education teacher. If Santanu is interested, he can apply for it. Okay, father. And that school may not work out now, but there is another place, a school called Christopher Day School.
कुछ ख्वाब बिखरे, कुछ रास्ते छोटी, हर पल जैसे इम्तिहान हो।
कुछ किनारे खूब गहरे जिंदगी के हजारों चेहरे, उन मजबूत बुनियाद पर अभी भी
मोड़ लेता हूँ करवट अभी भी। तू रात तो मैं चांद बनूं, तू ख्वाब तो मैं नींद बनूं, तू रोए तो मैं बेचैन बनूं, तेनू तक तक मैं जोग बनूं।
जाती है, खोया खोया हूँ मैं तुम में सदा,
ख्वाब से हूँ लिपटा हुआ, कुछ रंजे कुछ सुनहरा, कभी खुद से भी हरा हूँ, कभी दुनिया से लड़ता रहा, पर हर मोड़ पे एक चेहरा था जो चुपचाप साथ चलता रहा।
तेरे नाम से चल जाती है।
पिंजरा नहीं शहर हो खुशियों का, कैद नहीं उड़ा हो पंछियों की, जो था अधूरा वो पूरा हुआ जब तू मेरा कहानी बना। तू बस तू है मेरे कोल और कुछ भी जरूरी नहीं, ये सफर ये गीत ये सांस भी सब तुझसे ही तो सही।
मैं चला हूँ पर ये यादें साथ चलेंगी, ये दीवारें ये आंगन
मुझे रोज बुलाएंगी, दूर जा रहा हूँ मैं पर दिल यही ठहरा रहेगा, ये रिश्ता मेरी हर सांस के पास रहेगा।
अब जाना है पर अलविदा नहीं कह पाऊंगा, मैं जहाँ भी रहूं तू हमेशा मेरे पास है।
रास्ते बदलेंगे वक्त भी आगे बढ़ जाएगा, पर ये मोहब्बत का घर क्योंकि तू बस तू है।
तो रात तो मैं चांद बनूं, तो ख्वाब तो नई नींद बनूं, तो रोए मैं बेचैन बनूं, तेनू तक तक के मैं जोग बनूं, है खास तू।
Sir, did you ever regret it?
Never. Because CDS didn't give me a job. It gave me a home.
Sir, will you miss all this?
You don't miss. What becomes a part of you?
Sir, when you retire, will you still come to school sometimes? Or you will stop coming completely?
I won't stand here forever. That was never the point. But I will never stop belonging here.
Life was never straight. It was filled with uncertainty and struggle. Yet, he kept moving forward, turning challenges into strength. Heroes are not always found on big stages. Sometimes they walk among us in simple clothes, tired eyes, and dusty collars. And just like that, our hero never needed a crown. A simple white cap was enough, and a heart that inspired us all and will keep doing so.